Statistics show that as many as 1 in 4 trucks on the public highway have failed inspections, which make them illegal for safe operation on the public highway. Trucking accident cases are different than the basic automobile accident case because there are so many unique rules that govern trucking. As a result, as an attorney, if you don't know those rules, you can't effectively handle these cases. Through both trial and settlement, Aitken Aitken Cohn has achieved unparalleled results. Our reputation is unrivaled, and we've gained national recognition based upon those results. And we are constantly working with the nation's top experts to assure that our investigation and trial exhibits are state-of-the-art. If you or a loved one has been involved in a serious trucking accident, we want to take this opportunity to first say how sorry we are for your loss. It's important that we emphasize the need to contact us immediately so that we can commence an investigation before witnesses disappear or before valuable physical evidence is lost. Aitken Aitken Cohn is known for its aggressive representation. We have the experience, compassion, and resources to get you the results that you deserve.